Hi, I think that how we can be, joyfully ready and anticipate the second coming is, take stock in what the scriptures say, do our due diligence to read the scriptures and, just always have him on our mind. Because if we're not thinking about him and being as Christ-like as possible in our life, then we're not really being prepared for when he gets back. We gotta, love our neighbor and do what we can to be as Christ-like as possible. I know sometimes that's easier said than done, but, that's just what I think is just trying to be as Christ-like as possible is how I try not to worry about it. Because a lot of the signs are kind of scary to think about. Kingdoms going to war and nations against nations. That's really scary. So I think just trying to have Christ at the center of our lives is the best way that we can handle that. So, yeah.